Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems. Okay, so today we are going to solve AIEEE 2006 problem. Okay, so let's see first one. If the root of the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q are 10, 30 and 10, 15 respectively, then the value of 2 plus q minus p is easy question. We all know the basics, we all know the formulas. Just apply that. We know the roots, then we know that the summation of the roots is given by minus b by a, so it's here minus p by 1, that is minus p. And for multiplication of rule, it is 10, 30 into 10, 15, that is c by a, that means q by 1, that is q. Okay, so this is the value of 10, 30 plus 10, 15 and 10, 30 into 10, 15. Now we know that 1045 and its value is 1. We know the value 1045's value, we all know that is 1. But we can write 1045 as 1030 plus 15. Yes, 45 can be written as 30 plus 15. So it's 1030 plus 1015 upon 1 minus 1030 into 1015. This is the formula. 10 of alpha plus beta is equal to 10 alpha plus 10 beta upon 1 minus 10 alpha 10 beta. So it's 1030 plus 1015 upon 1 minus 1030 into 1015. 1030 plus 1015 from the here it is minus p. So I write it down minus p. 1 minus 1030 into 1015, that is q. So I write it down as q. So it's minus p upon 1 minus q. Cross multiply this, so it's minus p is equal to 1 minus q. So q minus p is equal to 1. What we have to find out? We have to find out the value of 2 plus q minus p. 2 plus q minus p. So add 2 both the side. So 2 plus q minus p is equal to 3. Very simple question. So answer option number 2 is the right option. That is 3. Okay, this is the right option. Now next one. Again very simple. We know this formula. We know this basics. Those students who don't know, please go to the topic lecture of integration. Integration of a to b f of x dx. It can be written as integration of a to b f of b plus a minus x dx. That means upper plus lower minus x. The same thing we are going to use. Now you say, sir, how can we come to know that we are going to use this particular method? See friends, here it's 9 minus x, here it's 6 plus 3, that means 9 and minus x. So it made a symmetric form. So I just write it down out. I is equal to 3 to 6 square root of x upon 9 minus x plus x. Now in the place of x, just write down 6 plus 3 minus x, that is 9 minus x. So I write it down, it's 9 minus x. Here 9 minus x in the place of x, so it becomes root x, and here it is 9 minus x. So this is my equation number 1. This is equation number 1, and this is my equation number 2. Okay, now 1 plus 2, so I plus I, it's 2i. Integration of 3 to 6 root of 9 minus x plus root of x upon root of 9 minus x plus root of x. That means both gets cancel out, and we left with 1 dx. That's x minus lower, that is 6 minus 3, so it's 3. So iota is equal to 3 by 2. Very easy question. Iota is equal to I is equal to 3 by 2. So answer option number 2 is the right option. 2 is equal to 3 by 2 is the right option. One more. The number of values of x in the interval 0 to 3 pi. Remember this, 0 to 3 pi satisfying the equation 2 sin square x plus 5 sin x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's solve this equation. It's a simple quadratic equation. So by solving it, we have here 2 sin square x plus 5 sin x minus 3. So 5 sin x can be written as 3 sin x plus 2 sin x. So it becomes sin x plus 3 into 2 sin x minus 1. So sin x is equal to minus 3 is one answer, and sin x is equal to 1 by 2 is one answer. But sin x is equal to minus 3 can't possible. Why? Because the range of the sin x is minus 1 to 1. So sin x is equal to minus 3 is not possible. So we left with sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Now let's go to the basic of trigonometry. So here we have one unit circle. Consider as a circle. This is a unit circle. Okay, so sin x is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. Now this is 0. 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 2 comes one time. So here one time. For 1 by 2 to by 2 to 5, it again comes one time. For third and fourth quadrant, sin x is negative. So here minus 1 by 2 comes. not 1 by 2. From now we come here as a 2 pi to 5 pi by 2. Sin x again come. So here we have one more 1 by 2, and from 5 pi by 2 to 3 pi we have one more 1 by 2. So we have 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 1 by 2. So answer option number 1 is my right option. We have 4 values. We have 4 values of sin 1 by 2 in 0 to 3 pi. Okay, so answer option number 1 is right option. Okay, very easy question again, but compulsory you have to know the basics. Let's see the last one, what it say. It's again from quadratic equation. See, I told you earlier quadratic equation is very much important. Here we solved pretty much question on the very basic things like the summation of the roots, multiplication of the roots, and this is the very basic things they asked. And this is also one of the question of quadratic equation. All the values of m for which both the roots of equation x square minus 2mx plus m square minus 1 is equal to 0 are greater than minus 2 but less than 4 lie in the interval. So we have to find the value of m for which the roots of this particular equation lies between minus 2 to 4. Okay, so x square minus 2mx plus m square minus 1. Now for this is the whole square equation, x minus m whole square minus 1. So I write it down, equation as x minus m whole square minus 1. So it's a square minus b square. So we have a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b here, x minus m minus 1, here x minus m plus 1. So here we have two values of x, that is x is equal to m minus 1 comma m plus 1, two values. Now what they say? They say it is always greater than minus 2. That means minus 2 is less than of m minus 1. That means m minus 1 is always greater than minus 2. M minus 1 is greater than minus 2. That means m greater than minus 1. Okay. So this is the one condition, m greater than minus 1. They say the value of the roots are always less than 4. So what? Which is the higher value? M minus 1 or m plus? It's m plus 1. So m plus 1 is always less than 4. That means m is less than 3. So our answer is that the m is lie between minus 1 to 3. So right answer option is minus 1 to 3. So this is a very basic question. Now I am again saying this to you that the level of AEEE and JEE mains is almost equal. So please solve all the papers of AEEE from 2002 to 2012, because from the 2013 we have JEE mains. I try to solve all the questions of topic we covered, but if you have any doubt from any paper and any chapter, ask me in the comments. Click the photo of your question and ask me in the comments. I'm going to solve that question and post the video on that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button.